If you're experiencing account sync issues in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Open your game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Clear cache files. Clearing cache files can help resolve sync issues. Navigate to your game's cache folder and delete the cache files. Restart the game afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Relink your account. Sometimes unlinking and then relinking your EA account can resolve sync problems. Go to the account settings in the game, unlink your account, and then log back in to re-establish the connection. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the issue continues after trying the above steps, reach out to EA support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the account sync issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support forums.